Hi guys, welcome back for Unit 2 Population Composition, Dynamics, and Models. So this is a really intense part of Unit 2 because we will be covering the Demographic Transition Model, the DTM, the model that will be all over your AP Human Geography exam. So get to know it well, and we will in this unit. But before you can understand the demographic transition model, you need to understand population pyramids and population composition. So a population pyramid is going to show you the sex ratios of a country as well as birth rates and um, life expectancy. So you'll see age groups, sex ratios, you'll see which brackets of the population have the highest percentage of the population in them. So if you see a population pyramid with a very wide base, that is going to be one with a very high fertility rate and a very young population. So they will be needing services like schools and daycares. And as that population gets older, they're going to need jobs. But if you see the opposite and you see an actual maybe inverted triangle where the largest part of the population pyramid is on top, you know that country has a very low birth rate and they have the majority of their population in the very high age groups, which, well, quite frankly, they don't do anything. They're not very productive and they require services. They require healthcare. They require senior homes. They don't produce anything. So if you're a country and you have an old aging population, you're in trouble. And you will need to do something to get more workers to pay taxes to pay for the care of all these elderly citizens. So that's why it's important to understand what different shapes of population pyramids say about a country and what stage they're in and what issues they might be facing regarding demographics. So the DTM does that for us. And they've actually added a stage 5. So at one point it was just 4 stages, but we've actually gone to a stage 5 where not only has the population kind of stabilized, it is actually declining in some countries. And we'll take a look at countries like Sweden and Japan as examples of countries that are facing population decline. We'll also take a look at the ETM, the epidemiological transition model, which tells you what people are most likely to die of in each stage of the demographic transition model. We'll also take a look at Malthus. We'll throw him in there and we'll see, was he correct that, human population is uncontrolled and we need to do something to control it or we're going to run out of resources. We will outstrip the food supply. So we'll take a look at all of that and more in our segment about population composition, dynamics, models, and theories.